morning, children. So, in the last session, we were discussing about the religious festivals, right? We have discussed about the Diwali, Holi, Dasara, Guru Purab. Okay, now one more festival is there which we haven't discussed till now. That is Eid ul Fitr. So, it is a celebration of the Muslim people. Okay, so Eid ul Fitr is celebrated to mark the end of a month long period of fasting called Ramzan. So prayers or namaz is offered at mosques. People wear new clothes. A special dish is prepared on this day, that is sevan is prepared. So Semia also we call it as a semia. So money and clothes are donated to the poor people. So on this day they go for the mosque and they offer their prayers. They prepare the sweet dish, the special dish which is prepared on the day, that is the semia. Okay, so on that day these people they offer money and clothes to the poor. The next is the harvest festival. Now, what do you mean by harvest festival, children? So, it is a time when crops are ready for cutting and gathering. Okay, so farmers are very happy that they have got the fruits of their hard work. So, it is a time for celebration. Harvest festivals are celebrated in all the states. Everyone will participate in this festival. So the first harvest festival is Bihu. So Bihu is the harvest festival of Assam state. So these Bihus are celebrated in three Bihus are celebrated in a year. That is, first one is the buffalo fight and the big bonfires and singing, dance and fasting are part of this festival. So, young girls wearing traditional Assami clothes are seen performing this special Bihu songs and dances. So, on this day, there will be three celebrations, that is a big bonfires and that is buffalo fights and the singing and dancing festivals. Okay, so this is one of the harvest festival which is celebrated in the Assam. Next is Pongal. So Pongal is the harvest festival of Tamil Nadu. It is celebrated for 3 days. So Pongal is a dish which is prepared by cooking rice in milk and jaggery. Okay, jaggery is nothing but we call it as bellam in Telugu. Okay, so people draw this columns are nothing but you can see here the white, we call it as muggu. So to decorate their houses on that day. So cattle are washed, painted, decorated with garlands and worshipped. So in our states like Andhra Pradesh and Telangana and Karnataka, this festival is also called as Sankranti. The next harvest festival is Onam. So Onam is the harvest festival of Kerala people. So it is a festival of flowers. People wear new clothes and eat a special meal, okay, which is served on banana leaves. Okay. So this is called as a Onam Sandhya. Okay, so boat races are held at this number of places in Kerala. So this is one of the main attraction of the Onam. This snake boat races are one of the best attraction of this Onam festival. The next is Baisakhi. So Baisakhi is the harvest festival of North India, that is the Punjabi people. So it is celebrated with great joy, with great enthusiasm in Punjab. The men perform the Bhangra to the beat of doles while the women do the Gidda dance. Okay children, so these are the harvest festivals. Okay, so on many of these festivals huge fairs are held. That means the shops, stalls, rides, puppet shows and circus form a part of these fairs. Okay, so we all enjoy on these harvest festivals in different states. So in the next class we are going to discuss about the birthdays. Right? Thank you.